Are you working hard in the gym and you're just not seeing the results that you want? Well, the real game changer might be your grocery list and not your workout plan. So today, I'm going to reveal 11 foods backed by science that will help you lose fat and build muscle. No bro science, just real results for us regular guys over 30. Let's get into it. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we got is the eggs. The eggs are classic, high in protein, loaded with amino acids, great for muscle recovery. I normally get the box, which has 60 eggs in it. This will last me about 2 weeks. Moving on, we got the chicken breast. Chicken breast is lean, high protein, versatile. I normally get like the chicken thighs and the chicken breast right here. I freeze it. This will last me for these 2 packs will last me for a week and a half. If you're really serious about losing fat, gaining muscle, you gotta have your chicken. 3 is fish, specifically your salmon. Classic salmon is packed with protein and omega-3 fat. Salmon also helps with inflammation and recovery. Great for your joints when you pass the age of 30. I normally get the frozen. Also get the honey smoked fish. I normally freeze all of this stuff. You just have it once or twice a week. Before is you have yogurt. Whatever yogurt that you choose, make sure that it has 0 sugar and high protein. Some people like Greek yogurt and all of this stuff. That's fine. Yogurt, like I said, just make sure that it is sugar-free and doesn't have all these preservatives in it. But then that defeats the purpose. Yogurt is also good for calcium and probiotics. This is also an easy snack that will help keep you full throughout the day. Number 5 we have is lean beef. Beef gives you protein, creatine, and iron naturally. Just whatever beef that you choose, just make sure that you go lean. It has to say at least 90%. 90% is a sweet spot. Do not go below 90% lean beef. Do not go below 90% lean beef or ground beef. Whatever beef that you choose, just don't go below 90% and you're good. The higher the better. Sometimes I get 93, sometimes I get 93%, sometimes I get 96%. It just depends. It doesn't really make or break you, but you do not want to go below 90%. Number 6 is we got your quinoa. I bought my quinoa like this. Quinoa is a carb that actually brings protein with it. Quinoa is great for your workouts and it will not spike your blood pressure like other carbs do. 7 is we got your good old-fashioned oats. I do like to cook my own oats. They are slow digesting in carbs. If you pair your oats with your eggs or your protein powder, dude, you got a meal. 8 is one of my favorite carbs, which is sweet potatoes. So I do get the normal sweet potatoes, but I also like to buy them in a bag like this. Doesn't really matter because I cook it in an air fryer. Sweet potatoes is perfect. It's a perfect carb for fat loss. It has high fiber and it keeps you full and definitely has to sustain energy throughout the day. Plus I also love the taste, hence sweet potato. Moving forward is we have the berries. Y'all know how I love my berries. Berries is a good snack you can snack on all day. They're good for calories, they're good for the antioxidants. When I'm craving sugar, berries are a good substitute, but berries are a good natural way to get sugar in, besides reaching for Skittles and ice cream and stuff like that. Next is your nuts and seeds. I like to have chia seeds and flax seeds. I don't really like to eat nuts too much, stuff like almond nuts and stuff like that. But obviously these are really good, healthy fats that support your hormones and keep you fuller. If you're on a diet trying to lose weight, these will get you right. Just make sure that you watch your servings because you can overdo it with the flax seeds and chia seeds. Just be careful. And last but not least is protein supplement. Quick, fast, easy, convenient, easy to digest. Protein supplement is perfect for a post-workout if you don't have time to cook or if you didn't have time to meal prep your meal after. Maybe you used to be like me in the army and you worked out during lunch. And after lunch, you just go right back to work. So having a protein shake right after I work out, like I said, convenient. Just remember your protein supplement should not replace any of these other natural proteins, all right? It's a supplement. I usually have 2-3 times a day, maybe 4. But other than that, I'm not relying on this. I'm eating my other proteins as well throughout the day to get that natural protein and it keep me full a little longer. And that's it. Drop a comment below on which food surprised you the most. I honestly would love to know. Let's help each other out. Until then, see you next video.